Assalamualaikum everyone, hope so you all are fine and doing well. Today we will do numericals from 8.4 to 8.6. In numerical 8.4, what angle is required between the direction of polarized light and axis of polarized filter to reduce its intensity by 85%. First of all, I equals to I naught cos square theta. I naught is initial intensity, I is transmitted intensity, and theta, which is given in numerical, is angle, cosecant angle. So we put values in our formula. First of all, we have write I by I naught equals to 1 minus 0.85. 85% is converted into 0.85 by dividing by 100. So our answer is 0.15. Cos square theta equals to 0.15. So we convert it, स्केयर हटा देंगे हम, तो फिर टेकिंग स्केयर रूट ऑन बोथ साइड, cos theta remaining on our left hand side and under root 0.15 on our right hand. So it is approximately, our answer is 0.3873. We have to find theta angle, which is equal to cos inverse 0.3873. So we take cos inverse. By taking cos inverse, our answer is theta equals to 67.5. In next numerical 8.5, an unpolarized light having intensity of 15 watt per meter square. So I naught equals to 15 watt per meter square. The first polarized filter has its transmission axis at 50 degree from the vertical. First polarizer axis equals to 50 degree vertical. The second polarized filter has its transmission axis at 20 degree from the vertical. Second polarizer axis equals to angle equals to 20 degree. So first of all, we have to do I1 equals to I naught by 2. As there are two filters, so we divided it by 2. I naught equals to 15 divided by 2. So our answer is 7.5 watt per meter square. So in next, theta equals to 50 degree minus 20 degree, which is equal to 30 degree. I2 equals to I1 cos square theta. Put values in it. I2 equals to I1 cos square theta. We have to put values in it. I1 equals to 7.5 cos square theta equals to 30 degree. I2 इसलिए आया बिकॉज वी हैव टू ट्रांसमिटेड लाइट फाइंड, हमने ट्रांसमिटेड लाइट की फ़िल्टर्स, बहुत फ़िल्टर्स को फाइंड करना है, इसलिए I2 हमने यूज़ किया है फाइंड करने के लिए. पुट कर देंगे वैल्यूज़ को इसके अंदर. cos थीटा हमने निकाल लिया, cos 30 डिग्री विच इज़ इक्वल टू 0.866. पुट वैल्यूज़ इन I2 इक्वल्स टू I1 cos square थीटा. I1 इक्वल्स टू 7.5 cos square थीटा विच इज़ इक्वल टू 0.866 होल स्क्वायर. 7.5 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 0.75 विच इज़ इक्वल टू 5.625 watt per meter square is our answer. In next numerical 8.6, two polarizing sheets have their polarizing direction parallel so that intensity of emitted light is maximum. When two bodies are parallel to each other, as written in the 8.6, two sheets are parallel, so maximum light is emitted. Through what angle must either sheet be rotated? If one of them is rotated, so intensity is to be dropped by half. Is it? We have to find, is it half or not? I equals to I naught cos square theta. First of all, our formula is I by I naught, which is equal to 0.5 half. Word use हुआ, so 0.5 cos square theta equals to 0.5. थीटा एंगल निकाल लेंगे 0.5 अंडर रूट ले लिया स्क्वायर हटाने के लिए, So our answer 102, which is equal to 0.7071 theta. Find करना है. After putting values, theta equals to 45 degrees. Our answer